Hello Tech Explorers! Today, I'm going to show you how we programmed our visitor counter project. First, let's add a MyProgram block to initialize our program. Then, create a variable named visitor and set its initial value to 0. Next, add the code to initialize the IR sensor connected to pin 0 of the maker board, setting its direction to input since the IR sensor is an input device. After that, add an infinite loop block so the project continuously counts visitors passing by. Now, add a condition to check if the IR sensor detects a visitor. If a visitor is detected, increment the visitor variable by 1 and display its value on the maker board's LED for 1.5 seconds. Then, clear the LED. If no visitor is detected, display an upward arrow pattern as an indication that visitors can pass by anytime. Our program is now complete. Now it's time to test it out.